Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So we are looking at Manta coin. So this is a very important video if you are interested in buying Manta or if you are holding Manta coin. So this was from our previous video and how we took a trade. So as you can see here, we got a good entry and it went as high as to a resistance and we sold it and we did not get back into it, but it went up again and it is gone back. So we'll look at the price analysis later, but first of all let's talk about why this video is important. So first of all, Manta has a big vesting in coming in. So as you can see here, 6.7 million Manta will be released in the market after 2 days. So its worth will be around 20 million and there will be daily vesting as well, which will be equivalent to around. So if we look here, so these releases will be slowly and the Manta will be released. So by if we look here in the January, there will be release from a private investor and so on, but as of now there will be Manta coins in the market which will probably increase its sell pressure, but that is not necessarily the case. So all this is a pretty big news for Manta because it has a vesting coming in, so that means that it has a potential sell pressure which will be in the market, but that is could not be the case because if we look at a Manta TVL, it has gone parabolic and these tokens could be used for their DeFi protocol. So that is a pretty big. So if we look at the Manta state, as you can see here, the daily active accounts have gone down significantly, as you can see here, as well as new account creations. That means that the Manta seems to have slowed down and the price could make a could consolidate. So if we look the transactions have gone down as well. So as you can see here, they were around above, they were above 100k and they have gone down to 50k around here. So as you can see, so that means that the Manta is not very hot as of now. So that could mean that the price could consolidate and we could get good entry. So where do we enter if we are planning to buy? So first of all, I think after 2 days, if we look here, the Manta has a resistance around $3.3 and around here. So if the sellers decide to sell, the price could react and go down to the level of $2, but $2 is pretty far-fetched because Manta has already market cap of 700 million, which is pretty good. But if it falls to 600 million or 500 million, the price could hit $2, but that is the case when the BTC goes down, but I don't think the BTC will come down. But if it does, the alt will suffer and the Manta will be one of them because it has a selling pressure coming in from the vesting schedule. So where do we buy if we are planning to buy? I think the buying point would be around 2.33 to 2.1 or even here. So if we get a first entry around here around 2.5, that is pretty good because if we DCA we can get these three entries. The first is around here, the second would be around I think here. So these are the three entries which I'm looking at. After that, I think the main reason for Manta to go up would be the update, but as of now they do not have any update coming in. So the reason the Manta price could go up unless they have a big, unless their demand goes up, but I don't think the demand is going up as of now because if it were, the price would have followed. So another important factor is that the Manta will probably follow optimism and Arbitrum. If both of them goes up, I think the Manta will go up again. So even if it does go up, I think the max it could go is around $3.8, and after that it could go up $5 if there is a high demand. But once there another update which is Manta Atlantics goes live, I think that would be the case when it does. So as of now, this is the case and this is the price analysis, and this was the update which I want to talk about. So this was just a quick update on Manta. I hope you liked it and I hope it answered your question whether to buy or hold, or if you are planning to buy, I would say just wait. And if you are if you have already bought, you can, I think, get the conclusion from what I talked about. But if we look at the volume, so that is a pretty good analysis. So if we look at the volume is in the buyers. So the volume is in the seller's code. As you can see here, the volume is pretty good for sellers and the price I think could fall from here after their update, but it is, we don't know. So I will be back with more updates once we have more info on that. But so this, I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.